Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. I'm Juliet Migwi, and today, especially if you're a beginner, I'm showing an easy way to make a resin jar. This is an apple-shaped resin jar that we're going to use. You can put trinkets inside as a way of giving gifts. You can use it as a vanity or on the console to put your ring, or you can use it as a pen holder. Many ways you can use this. But check the card above, because I used it as a foot for the base of a cake stand. So make sure you check that card out. And as we go on, and as you get a chance to check my playlist, you will notice that I have used this also with some other resin coasters or trays base, and I've used it, and it has, how do I say, it is a very versatile jar. So it's one of those molds, especially as a beginner, that if you buy, you get a chance to use it to do different things. So check out my card above and my resin playlist, and everything I have here is listed in the description below. We will need, yes, this mold. It has the base and a lid. We'll use this white pearl MEYSPRING powder, mica powder. We'll also use this golden I can't say this word. We'll also use this golden labradorite gold, mica, and our gold leaf. And I'll show you how we'll do that. So keep watching for this. Very quick and very beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos and many others that will come your way. Also, if you would like to see various variations of this same creation, or how I use it in different ways, please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires for more of that. It's time to demold the apple jar. Let's see how it is. This is the base, the jar, and this is the cover. So let's see how we do this. We first start with the cover. Oh, it's so easy. It's so easy. This mold is the best. Oh, here we go. And the tip. This part for the tip. It's out. Look at it. I'm disappointed because this edge, there was a bubble and it's a big one. So this edge here has a gap. I might have to use UV resin to just cover it up to see how it will look. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Let's see how it will look with the jar. So be very, very careful with those bubbles. All right, let's hope this doesn't have that. Okay, let's demold this. I think I will try and roll it. I hope it will allow me. I hope it will stay in place enough for me to roll it out, because it's very wide for my hands and it keeps springing back. See what I mean? Keeps springing back. Okay. Thankfully it's the soft kind, so it's stretching okay. Wow. I'll be here all night. Okay. Because I don't want to tear the mold. How do we do this? And then it's too high to do it on one side and then come do this other side. Oh my. Okay. Let me try hold that in place. Hold that in place. Hold that in place and just try pull it down. Okay, I think I need an extra pair of hands to demold this one. Oh, thank God. That's the way we'll go. That's the way we'll do. Just keep rolling it down and I hope it doesn't spring back. Okay. Yeah. This was quite tough, but I think I've got what to do next time. Just keep rolling. This is the harder part because its limit goes back. Once it goes to this part. Ah, perfect. That is lovely. And it didn't get bubbles. Thank God. See how lovely they are together, and that contrast, it's really, really, really lovely. So please watch how I use this or how you'd use this. I can give you examples on my reveal, and if you like this and the things I'm sharing, please check out my Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires or TikTok for more designs, and follow me here if you subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on this and much more. So God bless you, Baraka Teles. See you next time. I can't wait to use this as gift, bases for, candy, for teachers, for Mother's Day, for birthdays, and this can come in so many colors.